However pristine the environment in Savage may be, homeowners and business owners still face the realities of property maintenance. SOS Cleaning and Restoration is your trusted partner for water damage repair in Savage, Minnesota, delivering rapid, reliable help when disaster strikes. Water damage can feel overwhelming, whether it comes from a storm, a leak, or a sudden pipe burst. But you're not alone. Our team responds quickly to stop the spread of damage, begin cleanup, and restore your space with care and professionalism. We also handle mold removal services to ensure your indoor environment remains safe, healthy, and compliant. Our methods are proven, our equipment is top tier, and your peace of mind is always our top priority. Call us at 952-847-3404 or visit soscleaningandrastoration.com/areas-served-savage-mn to request help today. SOS Cleaning and Restoration. Restoring your home, protecting your peace of mind.